In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a person to be seen by all on Zoom, whether you're running a business presentation, hosting a panel discussion, or simply moderating a large meeting. Ensuring that one person's video feed stands out on everyone's screen can be crucial for directing the flow of your session and maintaining audience focus. Let's begin by logging into your Zoom account. If Zoom isn't already installed on your device, make sure you download it from the official website to avoid any compatibility issues. Once logged in, as the host, you'll want to start your Zoom meeting. This is straightforward. Just click on the New Meeting button or find your scheduled meeting in the Meetings tab and hit the Start button. It's important to ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any disruptions during your meeting. Now that your meeting is up and running, direct your attention to the gallery view where all participants' videos are displayed. Hover your mouse over the video tile of the participant you wish to highlight. This participant will be the one you want everyone in the meeting to focus on, possibly the keynote speaker or the person leading the discussion. As you hover over their video, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appearing in the top right corner. This is the More button, and it's your gateway to additional video options. Click on this button. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Add Pin. Selecting this option will pin the participant's video, making it the main video displayed on everyone's screen in the meeting. Once you've added the pin, this participant's video now becomes the focal point for all attendees. This feature is particularly useful in large meetings or webinars, as it keeps the main speaker front and center, regardless of who else might be speaking at the moment or making noise in their background. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you can control who holds the spotlight in your Zoom meeting, ensuring that all attendees remain engaged and the meeting flow stays on point. This feature is a powerful tool for managing virtual gatherings and should be a staple in your Zoom hosting skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have more questions about using Zoom or conducting virtual meetings, feel free to explore our other videos or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on using video conferencing tools effectively. Happy Zooming!